to the people.
Government.
Good afternoon, my delegates. Happy to introduce to you the State Delegate from Oko State. Not to show that the Congress that is happening today in Oko State is null and void. We can't take part, as we have said already. We are basing our own plan according to national plans. So we can't go according to what the national have said. That's why we are here to tell the world that we are not, I will not be part and parcel of what is happening in Oko State. PDP!
Oh!
People!
Government.
Greetings, everyone. These are the State Executive Committee and the delegates, the zonal delegates from Cross River State. As it is, we all are aware of the national party's decision and directive to postpone these congresses, and in line with that directive, we have all agreed to abide on or heed that instructions. And we are not only heeding that instructions because we just want to follow the national blindly. We are law-abiding party members and stakeholders. And that is why we are doing all we are doing in line with our party constitution, which is a ground norm, which is a law everybody ought to abide by. We have gone through our constitution to know whether what they are doing is in fact in line or otherwise with our laws here. And we can categorically say that what is happening right now at the Metropolitan Hotel Calabar is null and void to the extent of it being inconsistent with the constitution of the party.
Thank you.
For emphasis, I would love to take us to the relevant sections of the party constitution that has made what they are doing at the Metropolitan Hotel void ab initio from the beginning. If you look at the functions of the Zonal Working Committee and the Zonal Executive Committee of the party, which are all contained in Article 26, Sub 2 and Article 27, Sub 2, there is nowhere in this part of the Constitution where powers are given to the Zonal Vice Chairman South-South or any zonal chairman to conduct congresses. Congresses, like every other congress of the party, are usually conducted by the National Executive Committee of the party because they have the power. Pursuant to Article 31, Sub 2 of the party, especially Sub J, which with the kind permission I would love to read. That Article 31 Sub 2 talks about the functions of the National Executive Committee, which amongst others include in Article J, subject to the provisions of this Constitution, the National Executive Committee has the power to make party electoral regulations to govern the conduct of elections to all party offices at every level and regulate procedure for selecting party candidates for elective offices. With this, we are clear. It speaks for itself. It's res ipsa. The fact here speaks for itself that it is only the National Committee, the National Executive Committee of the party, that has the power, that has all it takes to call for elections or congresses into all offices. All offices. When I say all offices, up to the ward, the state. What they are doing now is like saying, as a state, our tenure will soon be over in September. So we, as state executive, can stand up and say we want to conduct our congresses. It is wrong. It is wrong. It's not procedural. The procedure is that the national will now organize it for us, and then congresses will hold. A zonal chairman or whatever it's called cannot at this point. So, what the questions we will ask ourselves is, where are the forms they purchased for these congresses they are holding? They are not there.
And where are the delegate lists?
Who screened them? Where's the delegate list? What are they doing that is in line with this constitution? We are saying that is the essence why we are saying no, we will not be part of that. Not because we are antagonizing anybody. No, we are not factionalizing the party. What we are doing is exactly what the constitution says we should do. The party at the national has postponed this thing at the state level. So we are at the South-South level. So we cannot at this point go against the party. So So that is why the delegates, the State Excos, and everybody that ought to be a zonal delegate at this point has come here to say, no, we are not part of it. If anybody you see there, you just know that they are faking people's names to do what they are doing. These are the authentic people, and these are the people.